In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of replacing your Audi A7 key fob battery. This will just take you a couple minutes, and the only thing you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and you'll just need one of those. So if you'd like to get this battery online, you can go check down in the description, and that first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, all we want to do to start is find the two buttons on this silver part of the key fob, hold them both down at the same time, and pull out the internal key. And now over here on this little section, you can see that there are two tabs, one on each side. Going to do the same thing, hold them down and pull, and just kind of wiggle, and it will come out. You flip it over, and we have the battery. You can just simply remove that with your fingers. Remember, we're using a CR2032, and when you're putting in your new battery, make sure that the positive side that has this text on it and the plus sign is facing down, and you'll just click that into place, positive side down. And now when it's time to put this back in, if you have the buttons facing up, the battery will be facing down, just like that, and you'll just slide it in there until it clicks into place. You can put your key back in, snap that on there, and you are finished. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.